don't believe this. I do believe it.
The video you're about to watch is one of the most important moments of my life. For those of you asking about t-shirts, I am having 500 of them made in all various sizes, so those will be available in the link below, and you can continue to order them for the next about 2 weeks, and then I'll cut them off again because they're special. They're not the traditional Dahm shirts, even though they look identical. They'll be only available for that short amount of time, and then we continue moving forward. Speaking of moving forward, those shirts aren't going towards this car. They also aren't going towards my stripper and cocaine addiction. They're going towards something that's even more expensive. You know me, I don't want to just sit still on what I've done. I always want to have something in the pipe. And what would be more than 4 rotors? Has anybody turbocharged a 6 rotor yet? I don't know. Anyway, while this channel does seem to have quite a bright future until I completely mess it up, let's focus on the now and enjoy this moment together. We're at the very tail end of happy hour, golden hour, and it's time to fire this up. We're gonna do a real quick baby putt that way. Gotta remember, there's no brakes, there's only hand brakes. Time is limited solely because of the sun. The important part here is that timing is not fully set yet. Car is on.
I don't believe this. I do believe right away. Right, oh my God, that's naturally aspirated. That, I'm shaking. Holy shit, that, it feels, oh my God, it feels so good. The feeling, even though the steering's lumpy, it was just red, it was like, oh my God. Like, I don't know if you guys heard it. I mean, it's hard to tell because we're still cleaning it up. But I clink into second gear and then went back up to first gear. Yeah, it was like real fast.
Okay. Yeah, just did it once just to test it. Oh my God, guys, it feels fun. It feels really, really fun. That clutch, it's like butter. There's nothing to it. Like I don't mean like nothing like it's not there. I mean like it's just like we got the right cylinder, so it's not like it's just this like clink. Oh my God.
That startup
was
insane. Yeah, the startup was insane.
I need to go change pants. Every liquid came out of me. Some solids. Oh, look at the sky behind me. It's beautiful, like purple and red. And that's probably because I started some sort of forest fire here in California. Oops, that's probably bad. I shouldn't say that. Okay, that's in bad taste. For legal reasons, that was definitely a joke. This car has perfect clean emissions, catalytic converter and everything. Alternator still wasn't working. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. We've got the other one from the 3 rotor The guys are gonna swap that out, and I wanna get that working first before we finalize timing. Timing is not set fully. We're probably off, give or take, 15 degrees behind. So it's lagging 15 degrees of timing, which is wonderful, meaning that this is gonna get even more responsive momentarily. We captured the moment, we did it. There you guys go. For certain people in the world that have doubted that this car would ever run or drive, that was pretty irrefutable proof, I think. I think that, yeah, I think people doubted it. Some people. Not many, because most of you guys have been beyond supportive, and there you go. We delivered in 3 months. I looked at it. It was August 16th was the day I released that we've got this engine. So this is November 16th or 17th. August, September, October. Okay, so 3 months and 3 days from getting the engine and having the chassis sitting where it was, at that point, 3 months, we got it to a driving vehicle. Rowdy. And I've been using this word for the last 24 hours, violent. Violent is definitely going to be the word, especially as you saw it start up like that. So, while I was in the bathroom celebrating, the guys swapped the alternator out. And this is one off the 3-rotor. It definitely is a little bit more compact. Gives more room for the steering angle. We pissed off the gods. It's actually raining out here for the first time in a long time. We created some serious thunder ourselves, and the gods aren't happy. Okay, well, we're gonna test the alternator real quick, and then hopefully this, if it stays this light, I feel good. This is actually sunny weather for people in Michigan. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it was, there we go.
15 speed.
Yeah, 15. That's a Fast and Furious transmission. It's logging. Turn this on. We got 12.5. Turn fuel on. Water. And then. Oh, shit.
Was it working?
Yeah, it's working fine. Working perfect. It's just that rain bothered me a little bit. Problem with having such a good support network and the guys here that are willing to do anything is you forget that you rely on them to help push, and they're like, hell no, we're not pushing, drive the damn car in. I'm like, oh my god, I forgot. I'm gonna hand this off to Isaiah. Isaiah's gonna be on the 1s and 2s.
You know it's me when it's shaking.
What do you think? Front in? I'm
What-
gonna come in front.
Whatever vibe, right,
I'm
bro.
feeling-
You don't have reverse lockout, so be careful.
That's right. Well, I'm gonna reverse and then come in. Oh my god. That was like just slipping my ankle. Oh. That sounded like getting really close to.
It sounded like more like a car.
Yeah. It's not even using the turbo at all. The turbo in this moment is anything a lag, a delay. It's a resistance. What we should do is make an NA manifold. So for the handful of you that are like obsessed with the NA 4-rotor sound, we just convert it really quick. As soon as it gets over like 1600, 1700, it opens up. Oh my God! It's like I'm sure we'll be able to tune out like some of that, but really this engine's like up there. I'm supposed to be up there.
If I want to get the fine details of this, how do I do that? Just point at it.
Yeah, zoom in and.
Alright.
I mean, that whole system's 130 degrees right now.